they getting ready? That's just the pants. It's the pants for everyone. So, ito yung pants na in-outer ko, guys. Uy! Itong batang to. Pero yung ginawa ko, tinape ko lang siya. Itong tape na to, nabili ko siya, guys, sa Shein. Hindi. There you go. She just wants to see the guys. Now you're happy. That's the guys. Yeah. Sana mag-last. Ginawa ko to sa isa sa mga shorts ko eh. Kaya lang hindi ko kasi yung ginagamit lagi. So, hindi siya nalalaban lagi. Nalaban ko lang siya once. I was in the process of sewing na sana. Meron ako maliit na sewing machine, diba? Nasira, guys. So, pinutulan ko pa din. And then, nilagay ko nga yung sewing tape. I-iron mo lang siya. Nagtingin-tingin nga ako ng mga sewing machine. Gusto ko ng sewing machine na maliit lang. Nasira yung akin. But ang tagal na din kasi nun. Here, your jacket, balab. Now, wear it later, okay? Good morning, Koys! Where's my morning hat? Just come to me. I love your hair. It's kulot now.
Mommy,
yeah?
you know what?
So, sports
Nine types look like this.
Come on.
But
Say
they are
it
not
properly.
stickers. They are flowers with white names on it.
What's that? What's the flowers with names on it?
That is Addison
Oh, the name tag.
with the A and Liana with the L.
Good job.
L for Liana. L for Liana. Mummy,
Yeah,
A starts with apple.
that's right.
And B starts with a bowl.
Yep. Ball starts with B. Apple starts with A.
And not the C starts with this thing.
Huh?
C starts with elephant,
No.
cow,
Yes.
and what does S starts with a snake?
That's right.
A snake.
You're
Mommy,
only
when I am going to do sport.
Today, there's still some toilet paper on your hair. Itong mga batang to, silang dalawa ni Dudong, naglalaro, binasa yung toilet paper, tapos pinaglalagay sa ulo nila na may sabon. So, tumigas yung papel, napaligo ng maaga, tapos si Dan pa yung nagpaligo kasi nagluluto ako, guys, kahapon. I didn't vlog yesterday. So, nagluluto ako kasi hindi pa naman nila shower time. Nagbasaan lang sila doon. Yung pinaliguan ni Dan, hindi naman natanggal ng ayos. So, hanggang ngayon, meron pa din konting mga papel-papel.
I need your love. I need your love. I need your love. I need your love.
Ingay ng ride mo, be. Babay siya sa ate niya. Say bye to ate. Bye to ate and dada. Say bye-bye. She said bye. Enjoy, love you. Saan ka pupunta? Lalabas ka? Hindi ka kasya. What? What do you want to watch? Okay, but you can give me lots of kisses.
Okay. I'll just do that many.
Okay. Oh, wow.
That's many.
That's so many. Which one do you want to watch?
I'm not watching.
Trying to surf on the floor. Oh my gosh, scary.
No. No, I need to pet him.
Huh?
He's the baby dinosaur.
Okay. You wanna watch that?
So cute. And what
Yung laundry ko, kahapon ko lang natupi. That was the laundry from Sunday. Tapos ngayon, laundry na naman! Laundry na naman tayo mga guys. Walang katapusan. Tapos may sheets pa. Kasi nga, pupunta si na Tita Rich. So, papalitan ko yung bed. Pero mamaya na to. Mamaya na itong malalaki. It's too light. Alright, so 3 loads tayo today. 2 loads ng damit and then isang load ng mga bedsheets. Yung isa ko nag-aabang na sa labas na cute. You waiting for mama? Hey, beautiful! Alright, magkakape si mami. Tara! Oh my gosh! So cool! Uy, watch out for Indy. Hi, Indy! Yeah, good job. Look, she's coming. Let her play with it. Let her touch it. Just don't move it yet. You wanna see it? It's a really cool car. Go, Kois.
Not working.
Not working?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we didn't charge it long enough. Kailangan i-charge yung battery eh. But he's so excited.
I'm so
Not,
excited.
yeah, I know you are. We need to charge it, mate. We need to charge it more.
I think it didn't work. Indy,
Yeah, try again.
keep touching it.
Yeah, see? It's not red.
It's not red.
Ah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Nah. We have to charge it more, Alo. That was very quick. Okay, I'll charge the battery first. Because it's not gonna work. See? I'll charge it long, okay? Maybe charge it overnight. And then tomorrow you'll use it, okay? Indy, you like that, Indy? That's a very quick car. Very, very quick.
Let's fix it.
Well, I will. I have to charge it to fix it.
Let's fix it.
Ito naman, lahat nilalagay sa bibig.
Mommy, I want cookies.
You want cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. Kailangan kong
I want chocolate.
screwdriver talaga.
I want chocolate.
It's 1:21 and I am picking up Ayla mamaya. So, pwede kaming umalis in an hour. But let's put all these away. Punong-puno yung dishwasher namin. So, let's put it away para may space na ulit. As in, it's full. Look at that. Full yan. Kinuha ko na lang yung mga tinidor. And then, that's full as well. And the bottom. Very full. Kinuha ko na din yung dito kanina kasi kumain kami ni Arlo ng lunch. Kailangan ko pang lagyan ng bagong bedsheets yung bed. Kasi nga, naglo-laundry tayo ngayon. So, I'm currently on my 3rd load. And dryer is going. I don't know. Sabi ko, dapat matupi ko na sila. I don't know if I can do it, guys. We will see. Gabi pa kasi yung dating ng mga bisita natin. And, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, guys, nag-Japan pala sila. Ang saya ng Japan vlog nila. So, if hindi nyo pa napanood, Rich Zigs. They went to Japan. Alright, after dito, meron pa pala. After nito, hugasan ko yung mga kailangan i-hand wash. And then, akyat tayo para palitan yung bed sheets. May 1 oras ako. Nagmamadali din ako habang tulog pa si Indy. Kasi pag nagising na siya, hindi na ganun kadali gumalaw-galaw. Kailangan mo talaga siyang bantayan ng
A birdie!
A birdie?
Look!
Wow!
Mommy, it's dark now.
Is it a big birdie?
Mommy,
Yes.
it's dark and you're not doing this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the way.
It went away?
There!
Oh, birdie, hi! Say hi to the birdie.
I don't see.
It's gone again.
Okay.
Okay. You're awake pa! My goodness, hindi ko man lang natapos i-empty yung dishwasher. Nagising ang aking inday badiday. So, bihisan ko na lang to. Para ready ka na. We'll pick up ate. Should I see ate? Ate! We will go to school again. You love school. You love ate school. Ang bilis naman ang nap na yun, Babbers. Ay, naku, hindi. Ang dami kong gagawin, hindi. Nabusy din kasi si Daddy. So, hindi makaka-pick up si Daddy. And that's okay. And that's okay. Yeah, na-pick up ate. Bakit naman ang bilis naman ang nap na yun? So, baka in 30 minutes alis na kami. Kuya is coming. Hi, Kuys! Indy's awake. We're here. Hi.
Where are you?
We're gonna change her so she's ready to go.
Where are we going?
We're gonna pick up ate, remember?
I'm going to see the rich.
Oh, yeah, Tita Rich is coming later. La, Indy. Look. Oh.
You tell
Whoa.
Tita Rich is coming
Yeah, she's coming tonight.
now.
No, tonight.
Yes, he is.
Hihihi.
And you need me.
Palitan na lang natin yung bedsheet while we're here. Hindi pa natin tapos yung gawain natin sa baba. Ano ba yan? Let's go. Put this in here. And this. There. You go. Okay, you have to follow me. Indy, come on, follow Mama. Let's go to the bedroom. Come on, Indy. Indy, this way. Come on. I have to watch you kasi baka kung saan ka na naman gumapang. Come, this way. Indy. This way. Come on. Let's go. Katawa mo, Inday ko.
Jumping party.
Jumpy party!
That's so much fun.
Are you guys helping or not helping?
Okay, making safe.
Oh, that's to keep Indy safe.
Yeah.
Sus ka buyag!
Ah!
You ready? You ready to jump? Oh no! Oh,
The whole in there.
yeah, go. Backwards, yes? Is she trying to do it? Nah, I don't think she knows yet. You don't know yet, do you?
I did I watch.
You gonna teach her? Oh, that's jumping. This way, come on. This way. Go down. I just need to finish this. Go.
Party time! Party time!
Watch out, where's Indy?
It's here. Hi. Mommy, it's here. Mommy, it's here, Mama.
Yeah.
Are you here in the second? Hi.
Oh, you okay? at the school.
Oh, yes, at the school. So yucky.
No, yes you do. It's your school too. Hindi.
Yes, it's only my
Beautiful girl.
eyes.
Careful there, Kois. What are you doing?
Look at the climbing over there and go down. Jump.
Sige, punta ka, kuya ko.
And jump. Hold on, jump. And jump down. Go there and jump down.
Hindi.
Book. Book.
Right down, sige na.
Book.
Ay,
Book. Book. Book.
aw, thanks, Kois. You looking after her?
And they put in the game.
Is she?
Football pig.
Stay here, please, where I can see you guys. Hello?
Mommy,
Where is she?
it's here.
All done. Ready for the visit, Tas. Ready na kaming lahat, guys. Pero try ko lang tong tapos na! Tatapos ko pala. Yung hand wash yung hindi ko natapos. Sabi ko, tapos na pala. Ito pala yung hindi ko natapos. Kailangan ko. Ang dami ko. Kailangan hugasan. It's 2:09. Alis siguro kami in 10 minutes. Okay lang, ready na yung mga bata eh. Alas 3 pa naman yung out ni Ayla, but yung parking kasi. Parking sucks. That's the wrong way, mate. Alright. Who's ready?
We say that's already.
Okay, again. All ready?
We say that already.
Oh, we said that already?
Yeah.
We were inside the house.
But that's you then.
This is for real now. We're
Mama?
actually going now.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes?
And
Yeah. Put her dummy in, please. Put her dummy in.
don't reach.
Yes, you can. Try. I want her to sleep. Alo. Put her dummy in, Alo. Thank you very much. Is it in?
Oh no.
Mate.
I'm not studying it.
Got it? Again, again. See?
Bob did. He don't want it.
She doesn't want it?
No.
Oh my gosh, ang aga natin. That's okay.
He put it on me by himself again.
Well done, Indy. By herself.
That house is ready, Mommy.
That house is, yeah. The house is
We
almost
put a bed in there.
Oh, you can put a bed now there. You
Yeah.
can.
Outside.
Outside?
And have another house.
Alright, guys. 2:23. I'm taking the long way because I'm hoping Indy would sleep. Ang ikli lang ng tulog niya.
Mommy is sleeping.
No, she's not. Kuya's lying.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm awake. That's right. That is right, India. She funny, Alo.
He's awake.
She's awake.
He's awake.
She's a funny girl, isn't she?
Yeah.
That's right. Cutie pie. Ay, so dating tayo doon, mga 2:30. Tayo na talaga.
Mama?
Yes?
I go up the nose.
No.
Please.
No, we're not going to Macas, mine. Is that what Daddy do? He
No.
takes you to Macas?
No.
You naughty kids and Daddy. He takes you to Macas and gives you ice cream.
No, he's not.
Yeah, Alo, you don't lie to Mama. We are home and it's we're here and it's only 2:30, guys.
Mama, are you driving?
No,
Why?
we're here.
No, you're not. Can't see.
You wanna say, what time are you coming? Say it to Tita Michelle, okay?
What tummy?
Dang, that was busy. So, kakastart niya lang nung Tuesday, diba? And si Dan yung nag-pick up sa kanya nung Tuesday. Si Nana at saka si Papi naman kahapon. And today ako, first time ko mag-pick up sa kanya. It gets really busy dun sa gitna. Yung class niya kasi nalipat na syempre dun sa gitna. Ang dami-daming bata. And sabay-sabay pa sila. Alas 3. Hindi sa lahat ng grades. Kasi inano nila iba-iba nila. Yung iba 3:10 yung labas para hindi ganun ka-hectic yung pick up, iba-iba nila yung out, but still really busy. Buti na lang maaga ako kasi may nakasabayan akong parent dun, sabi niya sa likod siya nagpark and sobrang busy na daw. Yeah, sinadya kong agahan kasi may hindi tayo. Pag nagpark ako sa side street, mahihirapan ako with the pram and everything. Nakapag ano pa si Arlo? Nakapag playground pa. Sorry, babe?
Now can teacher Michelle come?
Yeah, they can come. Just be nice, please. Who's excited to see Tita Rich and Tita Michelle?
Me!
Yay!
Mommy, they're already home already.
They're not yet. They're still driving on the way here. It's a long drive.
Can we see?
Yay!
I love him so much.
Aww. You love them so much.
When is it? When is it? In the morning?
No, not tonight. They will come tonight. Oh, maybe tomorrow morning, Isla. Actually, that's okay. You'll see them tomorrow when you, maybe we can have them drop you off school. What do you think?
They don't know where my school is.
Oh, I can take them.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
So they're not going to sleep?
Tomorrow night, they will sleep in our house.
No, in their car.
Yeah, maybe they have to sleep in their car because it's such a long drive. Share sila.
Yummy, healthy.
Sabi ni Ayla kanina, she didn't have enough time to eat her food daw. Pero, you finished your schnitzel.
I had netball.
You had netball. My gosh, my baby.
And I got to hold the trophy.
She held the trophy though, guys. You got many points?
Yep, I got what? 10,000.
10,000 points. That's a lot of points. Good job. Do you like netball?
No.
Oh my goodness, this girl's gonna be playing sports soon. You gotta choose what sport do you like. So, naubos niya yung schnitzel niya. Well done, baby! Good job. Yung natira kanina is mga popcorn, tas ito. Pero she's finishing it now. And she's sharing her fruit with Arlo as well. So, binigyan ko din si Arlo ng popcorn na kanya para hindi niya kunin yung kay ate. And this one, puri na ka! So, iba na naman yung damit. My baby uod. Hello! Alright guys, bahay na pala kami. Kanina pa. Nakapagtupi na ako. Pagdating ko, tapos na kasi yung dryer. So, tinupi ko na. The weekend will be full on. Kasi may mga bisita tayo guys. Back to back yung bisita natin. So, I don't think I will get the chance to fold. So, pinold ko na siya. I still have one load in the dryer though. Hopefully, ma-fold ko din siya today. Nagmamadali na ako. Tapos piniprepare ko yung mga susuotin ng mga bata bukas. Kasi sports si Arlo bukas. Tapos school si Ayla bukas. Yung mga uniform niya, kanina ko lang nilabhan. I-ano ko pa yun. I-iron. Dumating yung order namin from Target. So, ito yung 5 to 7 years old na knee-high socks. So, sana tama yung size. So, yung isa, i-return ko yung bukas pag may time tayo. I don't think we will have time, but we will see. Masyadong maliit kasi yun. Ano kasi yung sizing nito? Medyo confusing kasi it says size 9 to 12 and then for 5 to 7 years old. Sa website, it doesn't say both sizes or the age. It doesn't say the age. It just says size 5 to 8. So, yun yung pinili ko, yung 5 to 8. Yung 5 to 8 pala, pang 2 to 4 years old. Yung sa tights naman nila, iba naman. So, it was confusing anyway. Let's have Ayla try this on. Mas gusto ko sa kanya yung knee-high kaysa sa tights para madali lang siya mag-pee. It should be alright. Kasi balik ano na naman sila, dress uniform bukas. Kasi nga yung sports uniform niya is Tuesday and Thursday. So bukas is Friday, dress uniform naman siya. Magluluto ako guys na miswa with siomai and minced beef. You got minced beef?
I got it.
Damihan natin. They said they will be here 7:05.
Okay, that's alright.
Yeah. So,
You're just hoping that people are asleep, were you?
no, because when I checked before, it was like 8 something. So I just told Ayla that they're coming tomorrow. Alo, finish your food so you can have a shower after. Kausap nila yung tita nila. Gusto yung tawagan eh. Alright, just say goodbye. Say bye. Say see you tomorrow. Guys, ang sarap ng miswa. Miswa na may beef, may siomai, may spring onion pa. O, diba? May nakita akong spring onion sa freezer. Tapos ilalagay ko yung zucchini mamaya. Diyan yung ating zucchini. Ready na yan. Pero luto na to eh. Hello? You eating? Yung ate at kuya niya nandun na sa taas, pinaliguan na ni Daddy. Hey? Yum yum? They are 19 minutes away. Lagay na natin tong zucchini. Just wait, wait. Ang dami nito guys, punong-puno to. Oy! Hello, beautiful. Tapos magpiprito pa ako ng lumpia. Okay, alright, let's go. I-ready ko na yung ating lumpia. O, diba? Timing na timing. Pagdating nila, tapos na maligo yung mga bata. Tikman natin. Yum. Uy, buyang. Pagkalami, pagkalami. Pagkalami, pagkalami. Sato. Lagyan natin konting salt. Nandito na sila guys. Ang alam ng mga bata, bukas pa sila darating. Kasi nga akala ko alas 8 pa sila. Ipapatulugin ko na to ng maaga. But sabi nila kanina alas 7 daw. So pinaligo na namin. Come on, let's go! I wanna show you something, a surprise. Bring Indy. Bring Indy to the front. Huh?
A snake.
A snake? Yeah, just wait. This is better than a snake. Come on, bring Indy. Bring Indy. Alright, open the door. Open the door, Ayla. No, that door. The main door. Yeah, go.
That one? This one?
Yeah, the main door. Open it.
See the witch?
Oh, I'll carry that for you. Oh, sweetie. Hello, careful. Oh, so helpful, ate. Good job. Ha? Ano, naka-uniform? Work mondo, ha?
Yes.
Oh, the super titas are here. Bye.
Kakaumag si Rabi. Mas na-teacher. Kakaumag si Rabi.
It's okay, it's okay. Layas ka! Balik dito ka! Wala na nasa kailan mo. Again, do it again! Look at her cartwheels and yeah, she's really good now. Oh. Do your cartwheel and your handstand. Headstand. Diba, ready na agad. Kain na tayo. Tapos na yung mga bata eh. Pero subuan ko yung mga yan. Let's eat! Anong oras nagising pa yan ay? 11:08 na. Where is it? Mapakong na ka. Oh no! Maumod ka ha?
Uy, seal. You seal?
Cute.
Where you going now? Dakpan.
Oh no! You won, Indy!
Gumpa.